Hi guys, in today's video we'll see about the conditional statement. We'll try to write some program in C. So let's start. Okay, the first question is write a program to check if a student has passed or failed. So if the mark is greater than 30, it is passed. If mark is smaller than 30, if mark is smaller than 30, then it will be failed. So let's go to our code editor and make some program. So let's write. Let's for this we will take input from user. Okay, int int mark data enter the enter mark and we will ask input from user. For this unit we will use scanf percentage I sorry and mark. Okay, so we have asked asked user to add the number. Now we will write if statement. If mark is greater than equal to 30, pass. Okay, else fail. Let's run our code and check. Hmm, then mark, so that's a 30. Okay, passed. 29 fail. Okay, and it's working properly. 10 fail. Okay, so this is how you can use if statement to uh, write some program. Let's move to next question. So okay, write a program to give grade to a student. The mark is smaller than 30, C. The mark is between 30 to 70, B. The mark is between 70 to 90, A. Mark is between 90 to 100, A plus. So we can suggest. So there are multiple statement condition. So we can solve this uh, and write a program through switch statement. So let's copy and go to this. We will comment out. We will use for reference. Now, but in some cases, if the user has entered number, uh, okay, in some cases, if user has entered number, let's say like 101, so that's an invalid number, right? So we also need to make program for that. Make sure that the number is not uh, the number is not greater than is not greater than 100. Okay, sorry, number is not greater. The number is not greater than like number should not be greater than 100. Okay, number should not be greater than 100 and number should not be smaller than smaller than 0 also, else it will give an so this was not our condition. So if the number is entered greater than 100 and number is entered smaller than 0, we need to make sure that it is showing as error. We need to make a program. For that, we'll write here if mark if mark greater than 100 or mark smaller than 0, we have to make sure invalid 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 mark and return 0. So what this return does is, if we after adding this return 0, the whole program will stop here. Okay, the program won't run below whatever the line of code is written below this return statement. It won't run. Our whole program will be stopped. So let's check and let's see whether it is running or not. So the number is 101. Sorry, we need to enter max 10101. Great mark. Okay. For minus smaller than -10, great mark. Okay, it's working properly. Now we need to write our main program. Int mark is equal to mark divided by 10. So mark divided by 10. So what this means is, like if the any number, let's say 55, let's say 55 divided by 55 divided by 10, it will be 5 only. Okay, it will give us a range, any like any number. Let's say if we take 51 to 59, if any number divisible by 10, it will give us 5 only, right? So this is what the meaning of uh, this code, this line. So how we use, you will see further. Now switch 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 10, sorry, switch mark will be the variable, and case 10 plus plus break, and we'll copy this multiple times. So for if the number is between, so case 9 means the mark is the is uh, mark is 91 to 99. So if you divide mark by 10, it will come 9 only. Okay, and you will get a plus plus. And you can see that after every case I have entered back. That means if the mark is 10, it will print a plus plus, and the whole break means the whole uh, line of code will stop here. For 9 and for 8 means the number is between 70 to 89. Okay, between 70 to 89. Okay, 70 to 89. Okay, okay. Okay, we have written for A, and for B is the mark is between 30 to 69. To 69. 30 to 69 to 6B. 5B. B, sorry, B. Okay, B. 69. Okay, now smaller than 30, C. For this you can use default. Default. So any number which is below 30, okay, it will give us uh, C. C. Break. So here we have written our code. So let's print and check. Save. Run. Okay, it's showing us some error. It mark is equal to error. Okay. Mm, okay, I think some problem. Mm, let's say num. Okay, num is equal to mark, and here we will use num. We will run this. Enter mark. Okay, now it is running properly. So let's enter 100. A plus plus. Okay, let's enter 30. Okay, it is 30 to 30 A B A B. Oh, yeah, it is it's running properly. So let's enter number less than 30. See what it gives. Let's enter 29. Okay, see. Okay. Okay, so our program is running properly. So this is how we can add this mark this program using uh, switch statement. Let's move to next question. Okay, now just see this code and try to figure out whether this code will, what will the output of this code. Will this code, if x is equal to 2, here it is saying that if x equal to 1. Okay, so just pause the video and check yourself what it will give, whether it will give error or print x is equal to 1 or x is not equal to 1. Just pause the video and check. So here this, it will give an error. Why? Because we need to, here, if in under this condition you need to add double equal sign, then only it will check whether it is equal to 1 or not. X is equal to 1 means it's assigning the value of 1. So this will give an error. Okay, next. Okay, write a program to check if a character entered by user is uppercase or not. Okay, uppercase or not. Hmm. How to do this? ASCII value. We need to check this. Let's remove this code and uppercase. Yes. So how to do this? So let's say make a, so let's define a character, car name. Okay, so the user by address character application. Okay, enter chr, enter the, it will ask the user to enter character and scan as percentage c, percentage c and chr. Now it will check if chr, if chr is greater than equal to a, and chr smaller than equal to z. Z per case, as lower case. So now what this how like what we need to do here is this program will check. Suppose the user has entered um, so let's say G. So it need to print that it is a uppercase. Okay. For example, user has uh, uppercase. If the user is entering user has entered small letter H, so it need to be print that lower case. This is what this program is asking. So we have written the program. So now what this will do is, so the every character in C has its ASCII value. Not only in 6 in programming language, every character has ASCII value. The ASCII value of a capital A is 65. Okay, 65 to 60, and the ASCII value of Z is 90. So in any character which has a ASCII value of 65 and 90, so it will print uppercase. Okay, so I have denoted A in a single bracket, single comma quotation. So yeah, so run let's save and run our program and let's check. Let's clear this. Enter the character. Sorry. Mm, now we'll save and run. Enter the character. Okay. Mm, no, no, it's okay. Okay. Enter the character. Let's enter the character H. So it is saying lowercase, small. Let's write capital C, uppercase. See, so this is how the code runs, and we can use this if with help of ASCII value, and you can find out whether it is uppercase or lowercase. Let's move to next question. So the next question is, write a program to check if a given number is an Armstrong number or not. Okay, so what are the Armstrong number? So Armstrong number are the number, like uh, if we like let's say the number is 1. So let's say for 1, the examples are Armstrong number are 1, like 1 digit, like 1 to 9. Suppose let's say for 3 digits are like 153 370 371 401. Okay, so the example of this Armstrong numbers are like, so let's say um, 153. The number of digit in this 1 to 153 is 3. Okay, now uh, we need to we need to take we need to multiply that uh, each and every digit with the uh, number with the number of digits. Like for example, the here the total number of digit is 3. Okay, now we need to multiply each of the digit with 3 times. 3 each of the digit we need to multiply with itself with 3 times. Like we need to take the power like 1, we need to take the power of 3, like 1 into 1 into 1, like 5 5 5 to the power 3. It will be 5 into 5 into 5 plus 3 uh, 3 into 3 into 3. So like, so in this way you need to this, if the number is the same. Okay, if after sum, after doing the sum, if it will come the same number, then it's Armstrong number. Okay, I will show you 153 Armstrong number. Okay, so let's say for example 153. Okay, 153, the total number of, here the total number of digit is 3. So we need to, what, so we need to like 1 to the power, like 1 to the power 3. If 1 to the power 3 plus the next digit is 5, 5 to the power 3 plus then the last number is 3, 3 to the power 3. If their sum is equal to the, or is equal to the original number, so then it will be called as Armstrong number. Okay, for example here one, for example here 1 to the power 3 is 1, 1 plus 5 to the power 3 is 125 plus 3 to the power 3 is 27. So if we sum this three number, it will come to its original number 153. So this is what Armstrong numbers are. Okay, so there's like 3 digit number 153, 370. If you take their if you, the number of total digit 3 times, so if you power, if you like uh, take it multiplication with the power, so if number is coming to the original number, so it's a Armstrong number. Okay, so let's do it. Let's write it code. And now enter the number. Scan percentage no. Okay, and now what we need to do is, first of all what we will do is find is, first we'll mm, first we will find the number of digits. Okay, number of digit. Then second we will after finding the digit, we will keep, okay, we will power it, will find the sum, will find its sum by taking its power. We'll find sum of the digit with power. Okay, first of all, then like first of all what we will do is, here we'll find a digit. Okay, so for example it is 153. We will find a digit, then we will multiply that digit with its with itself with its power. Like for example, it's 1, digit is 1, so we'll take the power and try to multiply like 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, and we'll sum all those number and we'll check if this number is equal to the original number or not. Okay, so how we'll do, we'll use means in count is equal to 0. Okay, we'll assign one count variable to find its number, to find its digit. Now for this we use while loop. While okay, for before doing this counting, we will assign a new uh, temp variable. We'll assign a new temp variable. Temp variable num. While now the value of temp will become the number which was the number which has uh, the number which has entered by the user. So while temp not equal to 0, count plus plus. Okay, and now the temp will temp temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Now we need to understand what this will be, what what this loop will do is, let's say the number is okay let's say the number is 153. Okay, 153. Now that this loop, while loop will check whether the temp is 0 or not. So it is not 0, so it will mm, count 1 count I plus plus. So the value will be keep on counting. Now the temp will become temp divided by 10. Temp divided by 10, 153 divided by 10 will be 15. Okay, 15. Before it was before it was 153. So it was 153. After this division, it will become 15. 15. 15. Then 1. Okay. Then 1. And after that, it will become 0. So this loop will run 3 times. Inside this, for this loop will run 3 times because at first the value of temp is something 153. Okay, it will check temp is 0. No, it is not 0. Count plus plus. So it will, the value of count will be 1. Now the temp will do it work, and the temp will divide with 10 to become 15. 1 0. Okay, since the temp is not temp is equal to 0, so this loop won't run. Now we got the number of digit. Okay, now we got the number of digit, so we can use for loop. And I is equal to 0, I smaller than temp, sorry, I small is count, I plus plus. Now what we need to do is find the digit. Okay, find the digit and find out its power. After finding the digit, we will find out its power. Now multiply with that power. For example, how will you do is we will find with int. You can do is int digit. Int digit is equal to, okay. We also need here. We also need to int int new number. Okay, let's say new number. New number is equal to num. We will use this same number. Okay, same number and new num. Integer is equal to new num modulus 10. So what it will do is like, so let's say number is 153. If you take its modulus, okay, if you take its modulus, here that value of digit will become 3 because it is modulus is remainder 3, okay, 3, and after that 3. Now what we need to do is we also sum 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 is equal to 0. Since we need its power, so we'll use with math header percentage sorry has include math.h math header. So from this preprocessor directory we can find the power of like base case. So sum is equal to sum plus power. We can use this with power. So for the digit is, so for the base case is digit count. So the base case digit is like 3. We will do 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Count is 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So now we will make this. What we'll do is make the new num is equal to new num is equal to new num divided by 10. Okay. Now what this new num will do, so but let's say it was 153. This new num will the value of this new num will be 15. Okay, now this loop will keep running. Okay, so after that we need to check if 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 sum is equal to num, then print Armstrong number. Else not a not Armstrong number. Okay, so let's save and run. Clear it. Okay, here we got some error. Okay, here printf. To enter the number, let's say the number 153 Armstrong number. See, so let's take some other number 370. 370 enter Armstrong. See, okay, now our program is running properly. So we have uh, one more practice question. Write a program to check if the number given is natural number. You can do this. You can use if statement and check if the number is greater. If the number is greater than the number is greater than equal to 1, it is a natural number or it is not a natural number. So you can do by yourself. So that's it for today, and we have seen so many problem questions, and we'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep practicing. Thank you.